Now let's look at relations involving squares and square root sign. Whenever a relation involves a square root sign, we first square both sides of the relation to get rid of the square root sign. For example, when you have root of A equal to B, there's root sign over here. So to get rid of the root sign, you have to square both sides of the equation or the relation. So you have root A squared equal to B squared. Therefore, the square over here cancels the root sign, which will be A equal to B squared. Let's take our first example. Make G the subject of the relation T equal to 2 power root of L over G. Now we have our relation to be T equal to 2 power root of L over G. This can also be written as T equal to 2 power times root of L over G. Now, there's root sign over here. So first, you have to get rid of the root sign. And to get rid of the root sign, we need to square both sides of the relation. So it will be T squared equal to 2 square power square times root L over G all square. Now, the square over here cancels the root sign. So it will be T squared equal to 2 raised to the power 2 gives us 4 power square times L over G. Now from here, we multiply 4 power square by L over G, which will give us T squared equal to 4 power square L over G. Now there's a fraction. Since there's a fraction, we find our LCM. So we multiply each of the terms in the relation by the LCM. So our LCM is G. So we multiply G by each term in the relation. So which will be G times T squared equal to G times 4 power square L over G. Now G times T squared gives us T squared G equal to 4 power square L. So we have to make G the subject of the relation. Now there's G here, but there's no G here. So to make G the subject of the relation, we divide both sides by T squared. So we have T squared G all divided by T squared equal to 4 power square L all divided by T squared. So T squared and T squared cancels out. So to left it G equal to 4 power square L over T squared. Therefore, this becomes our final answer.